Let's quickly do the addition and subtraction of polynomial. It's when we are asked to add polynomials, we are expected to add them in tens. So for example, let's use an example to illustrate that. Supposing we have the polynomial P1 to be 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. And we have the second polynomial P2 to be x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1. And we are asked to find P1 plus P2. B, P1 minus P2. And C, 2P1 minus 3P2. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, to solve what we have on the board, we say that P1 being equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. And P2 is equal to, we try to arrange it in such a way that each 10 is under the under a term that is like it. For example, the x cubed will be under the 2x cubed plus x squared plus, okay, that is minus x plus the constant will be under the constant. And once this happens, so it becomes easy for us to do P1 plus P2. P1 plus P2 will add. Since we are adding, minus 7 plus 1 will be what? Minus 6. Plus 5x plus, okay, let's put this in brackets so it makes sense, plus minus x. That will give us plus 5 plus 5x plus minus x. That will be 5x minus x, and that will give us 4x. Also, minus 3x squared plus x squared, and that will give us minus 3x squared plus x squared, and that will be minus 2x squared, minus 2x squared. Okay, this one was plus. Okay, moving on, we come to the last one. 2x cubed plus x cubed will give me what? 3. That should be 3x cubed. 3x cubed. And that solves the first part of the problem. Now, solving the second part of the problem, we have P1 minus P2. So we are going to have 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 minus x cubed, that is P2 now, x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, let's take it one after the other once more. Minus 7 minus plus 1, that is minus 7 minus plus 1. And we are going to have minus 7 minus 1. and that will be minus 8. So we have minus 8 here. Also, plus 5x minus x will give us plus 5x minus plus x, and that will give us 6x plus 6x. Again, minus 3x squared minus plus x squared will be minus 3x squared minus plus will give us minus x squared, so that we have what? Minus 4x squared. Minus 4x squared. And the last but not the least, we have 2x cubed minus x cubed. That will give us 1x cubed, which can be written as x cubed. So we are having x cubed, and that is our P1 minus P2. So let's move on to solve the last question, which is 2P1 minus 3P2. Okay, solving the last one, 2P1 minus 3P2. Let's see what 2P1 will give us. 2P1 means 2 multiply the polynomial P1. So we're having 2 multiply 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. And 3P2 means 3 multiply x cubed minus plus x squared minus x plus 1. Yes. So now the question says 2P1 minus 3P2. So let's put our subtraction. So before we subtract, we are going to open this. Opening the brackets, we have the first one to be 2 multiply 2x cubed will give us 4x cubed. 2 multiply minus 3x squared will give us minus 6x squared. 2 multiply plus 5x will give us plus 10x. 2 multiply minus 7 will give us minus 14. Okay. Now that is minus 3 multiply 3x cubed will be 3 multiply x cubed will be 3x cubed. 3 multiply x squared plus x squared will give us plus 3x squared. 3 multiply minus x will give us minus 3x. Okay, 3 multiply plus 1 will give us plus 3. So that when we now subtract, we will have minus 7 minus 14 minus 3. That will be minus 17. And 10x minus 3x will be 10x plus 3x. That will be 13x. And minus 6x squared minus plus 3x squared will give us minus 6x squared minus 3x squared, and that will give us minus 6x squared minus 3x x squared. That will give us minus 9x squared. Okay, 4x cubed minus 3x cubed will be x cubed. And that gives us the solution to the problem 2p1 minus 3p2. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you next.